Hello, my name is Michael Chassis, Service Manager here at Ajax Nissan. First, I would like to thank you for your most recent vehicle purchase or your first time service visit and welcome you to the Ajax Nissan family. Ajax Nissan's team is dedicated to high quality service and complete customer satisfaction. Our service department has multiple full-time service advisors, Nissan trained technicians, appointment coordinators, customer shuttle drivers, and a host of support staff to accommodate you.
If you're new to our service department, I'd like to give you a quick tour of our facility and some handy tips on what to do on your first service visit. Before you schedule a maintenance visit, we recommend that you make an appointment, as doing so will ensure that your vehicle will be completed in a specified time to your satisfaction. Should you need just a quick oil change, no appointment is necessary, as we are now operating Durham's first Nissan Express service. If you prefer, you can schedule your service appointment online in real time at www.ajaxnissan.com. Our convenient drive-through service entrance is located at the west end of the building. Bring your vehicle up close to the service bay doors and they will open automatically for you to enter. Pull forward into the drive-through as far as possible until the attendant motions you to stop. You will then record your kilometers, perform a visual vehicle inspection, and direct you to our service reception area. Please remember to leave your key or key fob in your vehicle. Once you have authorized the vehicle maintenance to be performed, we will quickly arrange a complimentary customer shuttle or rental vehicle for your convenience. The shuttle service is available Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Should you choose to wait for your service, we offer complimentary Wi-Fi access, coffee, tea, and water in our comfortable customer lounge. Upon completion of your service, your vehicle will receive a complimentary car wash. Your service advisor will answer any questions you might have and go over the work performed and the details of your invoice.
Our goal is to provide the most comfortable and convenient service experience here at Ajax Nissan. Should you have any questions, any one of our dedicated employees will be more than happy to address them. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you soon.